Hello everyone. Today our group gonna present about our project, which the topic is estimating sand size distribution of beaches in Samui Island. My name is Wachirapon Rachawatana.
My name is Tawashit Gulhashwalit.
My name is Manika Lipagon. Samui Island has a lot of beaches, which each place has many identity of sand, such as color and size. Our research study about physical property of sand, which is size. We use the collect data to make the histogram. We collect sand from 10 beaches and analyze data from histogram so that we can imply to use in many other ways, for instance, to plan long-term conservation or to understand the origin of sand that worth lots of benefit. Our purpose first is about origin of sand. The site can classify what this sand made of and also predict its component. The second is about contaminated substance in sand. We can tell that there is something contaminated in sand so that we can plan for long-term conservation using histogram to see the relation. These are our equipment used for collecting data, such as mobile phone, clip-on microscope, graph paper, small coffee spoon, transparent plate, and water. Here is picture from study site. And here is an example photo of sand under microscope.
Next is experimental design. We collect the sample of our sand over Samui Island. We went to 10 beaches. At each beach, we collect from 9 relative areas using the clip-on microscope. First, set up the microscope. Use clip-on microscope attached on a mobile phone. Then adjust the position of the microscope on mobile phone to the base perspective, which is on the middle of the grid line on camera. Secondly, how to name each picture. Attach the mobile microscope perpendicular to graph paper, then adjust the focus and take the picture. After that, name it as stdnoplate.jpg. Next, do the same but place the transparent plate above the graph paper and name it as std.jpg. We use two figures to find the magnifying between both photos. Thirdly, collect sand pictures. At each relative position, which has 9 positions, we have a bag that label name at each position. Use coffee spoon. Take out sand from the bag that we use to collect sand and place sand on the transparent plate that placed on the graph paper. After that, pour the water into the plate until it's covered all the bottom part and attach the microscope perpendicular to the plate and take about 30 photos from each study site for statistic analysis. Fourthly, upload on Google Drive. Take the picture of sand and other relative points. Follow the method number 3. And about 31 pictures. One is the sample bag. Classify all of the picture in each relative point at the beach, then upload it on Google Drive. Here is some advice. To avoid confusion, you should take the picture of the label of the sample bag to separate each set of photos. Secondly, the particle of sand is white, so you should adjust the background to black for the comfortable to make it easy on focusing.
Next is sand collecting progress. We collect from 10 beaches over Samui Island. First one is AL stand for Choeng, LM stand for Lamai, HT stand forหัวถนน BK stand for บางเก่า TK stand for ทองกรูด TN stand for ตลิ่งงาม NT stand for หน้าทอน BP stand for บางปอ MN stand for แม่น้ำ and PL stand for ปลายแหลม These are the steps of sand collecting progress. First, we use the observe environment application called globe observation, which we observe around the beach, such as tree and land cover. Also, we use a drone and take the photo, which cover about 31,400 square meters. Second step, collecting the sample sand on beach area in narrative points divided by 3 transects, defined as A, B, C. Each transect are 10 steps apart. The nearest row to the land is A1, B1, C1. The nearest to the sea is A3, B3, C3. Each student will collect the sample sand from the 9 relative points and collect the data to the data sheet. Third step, measure the slope of the beach using the application on mobile phone called clinometer, or you can use another application. This is the picture of the area around the Samui Islands. This is the 9 relative points that we collecting the sand. This is our result of the sand collecting and list it on histogram. You see on the red line is the sand population number 1 or power law distribution. The blue line is sand population number 2, normal distribution. And the black line is the sand population 1 and 2 sum together. Summary. In summary, the graph is similar to each other, but there are some special one. Because there is some sand that didn't originate from the sea, you will see some significant rapidly change in sand population 2 or the blue line in the graph. We can use it to collect data from each beach to perform abnormal and try to conserve more natural sands. Our conclusion: SWOT analysis. S stand for strength, W stand for weakness, O stand for opportunity, T is stand for threat. Our strength of project is this research is easy, it's very convenient, it's a type of citizen project, everyone can do it. Our weakness is the area that we collect the sand, we are not sure that that sand is the best of all around. Opportunity, this project can use in many ways, for example, ecosystem, etc. Threat, our threat is the instrumental limitation. Acknowledgement. Thank you for the attention. We hope all you people are happily listening to our project. Thank you.